you're so pretty. Why are you not married yet?
Oh yeah, like how are you still single?
Arey beta, but like you're so bubbly. You've got such a nice personality. You're so pretty. Why?
People with shit personalities and ugly looking people
yeah.
also get love in life, guys. ऐसा नहीं है. What is the weirdest compliment you have received?
Oh, it's not just weird. It's the toxicest compliment. You're not like other girls.
Oh,
This-
classic.
Classic. It's so
Best.
eventually down the line that is the most biting in your ass statement
Oh
that's
my
ever
God.
going to be there.
You don't look married.
What?
I'm like, this is so insulting to married women, first of all.
हाँ.
कि how do you think they should look? Hello, guys. Welcome to another podcast. I'm Arushi. I'm an anchor, a writer, a content creator, an editor, lots of things. Depends on the day. And I have a lot of things to say.
Woo. And I'm Sadhika. I'm a creative strategist, a digital community builder, a founder, and now I host this podcast with this pretty lady called Girl
Girl
Gappa.
Gappa.
And today we are going to be talking about something that actually will be very beneficial, especially if you are a male viewer. We are going to be talking about how to compliment girls, but this will be across all scenarios. If suppose you are a parent, you are working with someone, they're your colleague, a random stranger, how to
Anyone,
compliment?
a
Yes.
breathing human being.
Yeah.
Basically. Yeah, it's not so much of how to, but like how not to. So,
Oh yeah. So we're going to talk about how
Yeah,
not to,
that
and then
too.
we're going to end with how to.
how to, how not to, that
Yes.
too.
Yes.
So anyway, grab your coffee or chai ka cup and let's get into today's gup.
So let's talk about complimenting women because I feel like people feel it's okay to come and approach a girl and say certain things, which it's good. You should come approach people, talk to them and stuff. But there's some things which should not be said. So
Yeah.
what's like your number one thing that you're like, oh my god, ye kyun bola isne? Like when you're getting a
Number one
compliment.
नहीं भाई ऐसे it is like number one spot has 10 things. तूने क्या सोच के बोला?
हाँ.
You know, in that Venn diagram of people who compliment
हाँ.
women, it's like बुआ and आदमी. It's like they do the same thing, right?
Oh,
They do like
okay.
a form of negging कि अच्छा आप सुंदर लगते अगर थोड़ा सा weight loss होता तो something like that, right?
And my boy
Yeah.
doesn't live in the country, so I have no relationship with this.
Lucky you. What is the weirdest compliment you have received?
Oh, it's not just weird, it's the toxicest compliment. And the thing now, when I hear it and someone says, I'm like, oh, I'm not talking to this person. You're not like other girls.
Oh,
This-
classic.
Classic. It's so.
Best.
The guy is going to be such a horrible person. You know that eventually down the line, that is the most biting in your ass statement
Oh
that's
my
ever
God.
going to be there. Yeah, so we have also a podcast on this. If you are interested, please link over here. Check it out.
Somewhere.
Yes.
Somewhere.
Huh. So that is bad. What about you?
You are so funny for a girl.
Ah, yes. That caveat is important.
Oh my god. I
It's
hate
like,
it. I
कैसे?
hate. I'm like, just क्यों बोला तुमने last वाला part? दिमाग में बोल लेते ना. Just keep it there. And in fact, for a girl, for like most things,
हाँ.
oh, you are a good driver for
For
a
a
girl.
girl, yeah, it kind of leads into the same thing. Like, oh my god, you're not like other girls. You got it. So it's like a very, it's like a jaded compliment
Yeah.
essentially.
No, it's like anything that whole suffix.
Yeah.
Like not just for a girl, but like, oh, you're so pretty for your age. You know?
Actually, I had another one to mention in the same context. So the worst compliment that you can give to someone is, oh my god, like let's someone has a birthmark on their leg. Oh my god, your legs look so nice, except for this. Or let's say you've looking really great even though your weight. Like,
Yeah.
anything which has a
Suffix.
for no reason.
Yeah.
It's not required.
चुप रहो ना.
हाँ.
बोलना अच्छा बोलो.
Huh, just end
It's
it
that whole
there.
thing, right? If you have nothing nice to say, don't say.
Don't say.
But
Huh.
keep it inside. All the kachra needs to just
Yeah.
stay inside and come out through other means, not through this means.
Yeah, it's very annoying. So this you get to hear sometimes, but it's very annoying. You have a lot of balls for doing this, or like you're very ballsy or something like that. Like for a girl, you're doing this. Basically, like first, fuck human anatomy. All right, because there was this one incident where I had to help a friend. Basically, those guys had kind of like drinking and driving is anyways not allowed, right? So they had kind of gotten caught. वो लोग lockup में थे. अब scene क्या हुआ that he had called me कि भाई आजा this and that because
Oh,
I was
forgot this.
So I was close by. So I was like, ठीक है. Then I went and I called another friend because it was kind of late in the night. And I was like, यार तू आजा. Now this guy says to me, यार you did this, you have a lot of balls, this and that. कोई और लड़की करती नहीं है वो ये वो. And I was like, मतलब I don't know. I feel like I have the privilege and opportunity. Like my mother allows me certain things, and I like the things because of which I can do what I do. Most girls are not allowed to. Then giving this you have balls wala thing, I don't know. I it doesn't sit right with me, that compliment.
Yeah, I know, I
Yeah.
get it. And कभी balls को देखा है, it's not strong. Exactly.
Oh yeah, that's the weakest.
It ain't brave, strong, courage कुछ नहीं है उसमें.
Yeah.
एक ऐसे छोटा सा ऐसे कर दो तो हो जाता है.
So what's the worst compliment you've gotten?
I mean, I wouldn't say worse, but I mean, I know it was probably from a good place. But the worst compliment, whatever, is beauty with brains.
Ooh, yeah.
Those things are not mutually exclusive.
Exclusive, yeah.
So,
this-
I mean, it's like so mean to say that, oh, you're so smart, but then you're also beautiful. Oh my god, how did you manage both those things?
Yeah.
People can.
Yeah, and I think you can be smart, and that is something you did. You looking good was just like your luck in the genetic pool.
Yeah,
It-
exactly.
हाँ,
I
like
had
who are your
nothing to
parents?
do with
yeah,
it
yeah.
except for the makeup and the eyebrows and the grooming. But
Yeah, but also it's like that song. I got it from my mama.
Yeah.
So it's got nothing to do with you sometimes, genuinely.
exactly, yeah. I mean, I don't get it. That whole compliment, I find
हाँ,
it a little like.
it's a little toxic
हाँ,
also.
एक चीज बोल लो, ब्रेन बोल लो, ब्यूटी बोल लो, कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ.
ब्यूटी विथ ब्रेन्स का क्या मतलब है भाई?
हाँ.
I want to know.
That's
Genuinely.
true. You know, it's also one thing, right? Like females' self-worth or social currency. Like now our social currency is because how much clout do you have. But for women, it's usually how pretty you are. And for guys, it's how much you earn. That's why they try to hide the age or the fact that they're aging, because then it's like this, okay, fine, you're losing your social currency. And the same way guys are not trying to tell how much they earn, because then that's their currency, that okay how much value you can give. So that's why those two things are something like if you ask someone, they're always trying to hide and they're like nahi batana this and that, and it's an uncomfortable subject matter altogether. Oh yeah, so the next one is a little annoying. It's in the same tandem of what we're discussing. You're so pretty, why are you not married yet?
Oh yeah, like how are you still single?
How are you still single? You're so attractive. And like sometimes when I'm like talking to certain aunties in like a social setting, they'll be like, "Arey beta, but like you're so bubbly. You got such a nice personality. You're so pretty. Why? What's the
पहले
issue
तो
with you?"
people with shit personalities and ugly looking people also get love in life, guys. ऐसा नहीं है.
I mean, we don't know them to know if the personality shit or not, to be fair.
Yeah, no, but like, have you seen all those Bridezilla videos?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I'm like, how did these people find love? Okay, Bridezilla and Groomzilla
And
videos.
Groomzilla,
I'm like,
yeah.
so yeah, you don't have to be a nice or pretty person
Yeah.
to be partnered.
It's
In
like
fact,
that you look a certain way, that you have to be paired up and settled, because everything has to happen according to a systematic timeline. And if you're pretty, ideally you should be like at the top of the timeline, because for you it's supposed to be easier. It's not about choice, it's about opportunity, or the fact कि हाँ भाई मतलब तुम्हारा तो हो ही जाना चाहिए था, like the other people not getting it. And I feel like यार it could be someone's choice not to do something, and the choice is kind of like you think that it's not your choice. A guy has to be like हाँ ठीक है कर लिया हो गया and stuff. I don't know, the whole conversation gets really weird with them. I'm like भाई मेरा मन नहीं है.
yeah, exactly. It's about agency and choice. मेरे को नहीं करने का है. I didn't have the opportunity or the time or the whatever, right?
Yeah.
Like,
Or maybe you just have like your idea of how your life is in your
Yeah.
mind, right? Ki bhai, I want to, even for that matter, like, oh, you've been married for so many years, you look so cute together, why aren't you having a child? You must have heard that.
of
maybe
course.
Yeah.
When I finished my सातवां फेरा, उसके बाद ही, where is baby?
Where is baby? Yeah. And you know, like, you both are so cute together. Why no baby? Your baby will be so cute. I mean, it's not about how the DNA mixes. It's about मन नहीं है, bro.
अरे बहुत हमारे लाइन में बहुत रिसेसिव जीन्स भी हैं. बहुत अजीब सा भी निकल सकता है. ऐसा नहीं है कोई कंपल्शन.
I don't know, like as like an overarching theme over here, it's kind of like, yeah, there are these things that you're saying to someone that is obviously superficial and stuff, but then it's kind of like you're also putting your own mandate on how they should operate. or certain things. Like I feel like अगर वो एक बार हटा दो ना from the compliment,
Yeah.
and even if you have to keep it superficial, then just keep it superficial up until a point where it's kind of like, okay, hair, clothing, makeup,
Exactly.
accessories, whatever you saw on the social media maybe. Like just keep it really superficial like that. Otherwise, इतना मतलब why?
So, speaking of
Yeah.
marriage child, my favorite
Oh yes.
with buas and aunties.
हाँ.
You don't look married.
You what?
And I'm like, this is so insulting to married women, first of all.
हाँ.
कि how do you think they should look? Tired, you know, मतलब घिसे हुए
Annoyed,
life में,
aged.
मतलब weighed down by the burden of patriarchy. What are they supposed to look like? If I don't look married, what is it? Am I supposed to like put sindoor all over my head,
Actually,
look Manjulika? I don't know.
that is the main thing. Maybe it's because first up, like okay, fine, you do maintain like there's this thing na millennials might not be aging younger than Gen Z, but the scene is that we are not dressing up like we're supposed to. The same we are not
Yeah.
dressing like a married woman, so that adds to it. And then on top of that, you also like don't look tired, as you said.
I know, right? I'm like
So-
weighed down. मतलब मेरे पे बोझा नहीं है.
So that's I think where they're coming from, and plus like they have that perpetual annoyed look on their face, you know.
Yeah.
Like they're like they say na the annoyed auntie. I know there's a lot of conversation that goes on that I don't always say annoyed auntie, alag unke bhi issues and stuff. But like sometimes they're just wanting to have drama because they have nothing in their life and
Exactly,
they wanna hear shit. They're like, अरे
That's true.
तुम
that's
खुश
true.
तुम्हारे पास complain करने को नहीं है.
Internalized misogyny से फूट के बाहर निकल आता है जब कोई अपनी लाइफ एंजॉय कर रहा
Yeah.
होता है and somebody who's not looking burdened and
Yeah.
looking married.
Yeah.
नहीं भाई मेरे को मतलब next time my auntie asks me this, I'll just like hold my मंगलसूत्र and be like, may the power of सुहाग compel you.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
मतलब क्या चाहिए तुमको?
I
मैं
think
अपनी
वही
लाइफ
है
भी ना
यार.
एंजॉय करूँ, मैं शॉर्ट्स ना पहनूं, क्या है मतलब?
अरे वो it's a part of how at least in India ना like you're supposed to wear like 11 items 16 items basically
16,
हाँ 16
16
right
श्रृंगार.
yeah so वो I think because you're not wearing any one of them they're like अरे you are तो like a girl.
Yeah.
So they're like, why-
you are property.
Yeah,
You need to
yeah,
have
you need to be
property
marked.
papers on your body.
Yeah,
Basically,
every square
तुम
inch.
billboard हो. तुम billboard क्यों नहीं पहन के बैठ रहे हो?
basically yeah. And on the note of dressing up man I hate this compliment when someone says to me, dude, you're like so girly, that's so nice. And I'm like, that's not a compliment. I am a girl, I will be girly, I will like girlish things. Like it goes on with like, yeah, you get so much time to dress up. And
Like हाँ sky blue है. हाँ water wet है. Wow, you don't know shit, Sherlock.
then I just feel like I don't know what to say because at one point I feel like it's not a compliment. So I almost want to feel like do I get offended right now because it's not coming from a place of oh this looks so nice. Sometimes it's just coming like oh you're really feminine. And the thing is that when I was a
and
child,
also the pick me version of this.
Yeah,
where they're
yeah,
like,
yeah.
oh, I could never.
Yeah.
Like,
back to the Pick Me podcast,
Yeah.
guys, check it out. So I mean, like for me, because again, I was born in a Brahmin household. All right. So when I was a child, this used to happen quite a lot. I did not want to be feminine, and also because like I have been lucky, like I'm the only child of my parents. So regardless of the fact that obviously when it comes to the ritual, like even if the grandparents and the families might be still woke for the time, the rituals and everything that happens does give a little preference to men. And my mother was, I won't want to use the word pressurized, but yeah, definitely pressurized till an extent ki haan, have a child. And both my parents were like, this is a rainbow baby, we're happy with this healthy baby. So I tried to fill in the shoes of being the guy in a way. I would make sure that I would do everything. I learned driving jaldi. I tried to do all the help in the house and all of the stuff that ideally a son would do. And also, this is a nice backstory. Waise, I started with the name Sid. I could have gone for Siddhi. I didn't. I started with the name Sid because it was like a guy name, Siddharth, also, right? So when I was, I think in 6th or 7th, at that time, I also had this thing that I didn't want to be girly or feminine. So like till I came in my own skin and I was like more comfortable, I was like, yeah, I avoided dressing up girly, wearing skirts, like certain colors or like, like flowers, this and that, accessorizing, everything I did not. So when I came into college and I became more comfortable and stuff, like, I still kept Sid because it was kind of cool. And also when I met people like, hi, my name is Siddhika, and मुझे पता है तुम्हें याद नहीं रहेगा, so call me Sid. लड़की का नाम Sid है तो एकदम से याद रहेगा. And then they're like, ooh, why Sid? This is so weird. लौंडे का नाम है. I'm like, चुप कर. But then they don't forget. Then they're like, हाँ ठीक है, सिद्धिका का नाम ऐसे ही याद रहेगा.
कलेश किया ना उसके बारे में. So that's why they'll remember.
हाँ, so it's like a good like memory thing, but because of the fact that I've experienced certain things in my life and I know where it's coming from, the place where it's originating, I feel very weird when I'm like, oh nice, you dress up so girly, you're like so girly. I'm like, you kind of like not giving me a compliment, but giving me a compliment, and I know where it's coming from. I'm like, okay.
I have one, and this is literally someone who said it like very seriously.
हाँ.
You're so cool. You're like a dude in a girl's body.
Oh.
I'm like, just full stop in one place. Nah, cool. Done.
This
Full
is
stop.
this like every single one of them are like coming from the same root. They're like the same tree has a lot of branches, and all of the branches are shitting the same song.
Yeah, man. Seriously. Yeah, and branches are from the same place.
Yeah.
Basically. Yeah. It's like just slice that compliment.
Yeah.
Stop at the compliment. Okay,
Yeah.
this is like 101.
Yeah, rule one.
Complimenting 101. अगर कुछ बोलना है, you look amazing, you look nice, sweet, pretty, beautiful, cool,
Stop.
anything. Stop there.
Stop.
Something just adjective पे रोक
रोक
full
दो,
stop
हाँ.
लगाओ अपने दिमाग में. Dude in girls body का क्या मतलब है?
हाँ.
Can you please explain?
It's so annoying. Like
I'm like, I'm not transitioning. What do you mean by that?
yeah, I don't have no surgeries going
Yeah,
on.
I'm like that's misogynistic, that's transphobic, that's sexist, that's everything.
Okay.
Like,
Yes. So for me, I feel like the worst thing you can do when you're giving a compliment is again just saying the compliment like, okay, fine, you look so pretty even for your age, or just being like, even though you're this, or even though don't
Yeah.
say even, don't despite
exactly.
even.
Just
ignore,
stop at the adjective.
Yeah,
Bus.
that's good enough.
Yeah. Pretty, sundar, awesome. एकदम मतलब
Yeah.
number one, beautiful, amazing, gorgeous. Leave it there.
And if you have to, like, if you are close enough with the person, where sometimes these compliments would be nice. Let's say, like today morning, I mean, although I'm a little sick, but when my friend came and she was like, "Yaar, you're looking like lean right now and stuff," and I'm trying to, work on my hair, lose weight and stuff. So unless you're close enough to the person and you know that person is like having this XYZ thing as a struggle point, it may be anything, alright? It could also be their hair for that matter, or whatever superficial thing, or whatever it is. जब तक you don't have that proximity ना, don't give. अरे ये don't mention certain things that could or possibly might be a trigger.
So there's this really interesting thing called the 5-second rule. So when you are commenting on someone, okay, especially if you don't have that rapport with them, if it's a thing that they can change in 5 seconds, then you say it. Otherwise, shut the fuck up.
True.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, it's like अगर तुम्हारे दांत में लिपस्टिक लगा है for instance,
हाँ.
या तुम्हारा काजल फैला हुआ है,
हाँ.
तुम्हारा जिप खुला है,
हाँ.
say it. You can fix
हाँ.
it then and there, 5 seconds.
Done.
fix it.
हाँ, that's-
Yeah. But if you can't,
Yeah, I think the good part about this is that, dude, you are actually helping the person out at this point more than anything. Even a compliment, you're being like a stand-up friend, a stand-up person. Ki yaar, you got something in your teeth. I want to know something is there stuck in
yeah,
my
if
teeth.
अगर मेरे दांत पे धनिया है, good, tell me.
Yeah.
है, good, I'm glad. Please tell me. But then, don't tell me you put on weight. Or, oh, your haircut, you look better in longer hair. I can't lengthen my hair, no, in 5 seconds.
Yeah.
I can't do anything about it. Literally, shut up. If it's not looking good, keep it yourself.
That's
Okay,
the-
unless you are like my mother, my sister, my somebody who's very close to me, who can fuck around with me and tell me shit, it's fine. But if you don't have that vibe with that person, just remember the 5-second rule. Okay, chup raho. Mostly chup hi raho.
I think the hair thing is the most traumatic part, because if you got in your hair and you wanted it short and someone says to you it's not looking nice, or you got them colored and they're like, oh no, this color suited you better. Dude, the person would just crumble. Like
Yeah.
emotionally, complete devastation unlocked. Like,
Exactly.
it's the worst thing to say. And if even if suppose let's say purchase the car and then like, Arey, why did you get a red color? The green was better. Emotional trauma, man. Why would you say such a thing?
Exactly.
Don't just be like, okay, fine, really nice car. Your color preference, length, whatever can be kept aside.
Exactly. In fact, I personally I know so many people. I've seen like women who've gotten totally blonde.
Hmm.
And I've just like been like ठीक है मुझे
Internalized
नहीं
it.
अच्छा लग रहा है कोई बात नहीं इनको तो अच्छा लगा ना.
Yeah.
They did it because they liked it. They
Yeah.
felt good about themselves when they saw themselves in the mirror after doing it. ठीक
Yeah.
है, cool, good on you, man. Amazing, love it, love that for you. Okay, so I actually found like some compliments which you can say which are actually nice, which are non-body compliments, non-physical. So stuff like the way you treat people is beautiful. You show immense strength. You're such a good listener. I feel so comfortable around you. I learn so much from you. Okay, your vibe is really nice. Say things like that. Have you had like this awkward compliment coming from a guy ever? Like a weird.
Oh, so one thing I've noticed guys do is when they try to give a compliment sometimes, like nowadays, the place where I'm only meeting random dudes is when I'm going swimming. So someone's going to be like, oh, you swim really fast, but you can do XYZ thing to make it faster. So usually the compliment when they're trying to approach you, they're like, okay, if I try to act like I'm helping this girl out or this and that, and give constructive criticism or something like that, it's going to enable a conversation.
And this is without you asking.
Yeah, no, we're swimming, we're
Oh
taking
my
laps,
God.
and like when you take a break now to have water and stuff, so like you finish your lap, you stop, you have water and stuff. So then they're going to be like, huh, this, and I hate it when they do that because I'm like, फिर वो सिखाना शुरू कर देना like
Oh
यार
my
तू
God.
ट्रेनर नहीं है.
This is the reason I don't go to gyms.
Oh yeah, लौंडे जिम में भी करते
Yeah,
हैं
I can't. I'm like, भाई मुझे उठाने दे 1 किलो तेरे को क्या है? I have मतलब हद है what the hell मुझे उठाना है 25 ग्राम. What is your problem?
Yeah.
Don't come. I don't want your advice.
Yeah.
I actually bought, after my whole experience with gymming and these boys coming and telling me, oh, don't pick up such a light weight. इससे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. मुझे उठाने दो. What the fuck? I want to pick up this. So I bought my own gymming equipment, everything. Everything is in my house now because
Yeah.
I ain't indulging in conversation and stupid
Dude, for
unsolicited
real though.
advice.
So unless this guy is not a certified trainer, why is he trying to help you, man?
Seriously, man. नहीं हेल्प तो नहीं कर रहे
Oh,
वो.
sorry.
हेल्प तो नहीं
हाँ.
कर रहे. But
हाँ.
yeah, that's the reason I don't. I just have my home gym. मैं नहीं जा रही कभी gym में. Unless it's ladies only or like my own gym.
So there's this really amazing girl, lady Lolita. Alright, she does these soca African dance classes, and I used to go over there like full booty shaking. And it was at that time. Now it's like she's opened it for men also, but it was like girls only, and it was so nice.
I can completely imagine. No, I went for belly dancing, and the refreshing, awesome part was that you could like be in your crop top and
Anything,
like
dude,
like
yeah.
हाँ इतना सा like पूरा यहाँ वाला part exposed there with this really cool belt, and you can just do whatever you want without like feeling like oh there are eyes on me. No, it's so freeing. Yeah. Just women and just dancing and just
And yeah.
dancing without a care, and there are women who are heavier,
Yeah.
who are
Oh,
thinner,
yeah.
who are whatever different body types.
Yeah.
Nobody gives a fuck.
Dude,
it's so nice.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
In my dance class, this girl used to come who crocheted her own clothes, and the best part about it, like she was really heavy, very tall, and mostly people would shun her, but she was like so free in her element, dancing and. I'm not even kidding. If guys did not exist now in majority of the places, girls would be dressing so slutty.
Exactly. This whole thing
24/7.
about women dress slutty for men. No,
we wear
if
clothes.
men disappear from this world, women would be way sluttier. bro.
That's true, yeah.
Yeah, and at night and be adventurous.
Yeah.
And run without
sure.
without any baggage. Oh my god, that's such a nice
We
world.
should do an episode on this, dude.
Yeah.
That how would life be if there were no
Yeah,
men? Like what all
mental
women?
note.
Like, yeah,
Okay.
definitely. The only time I got a good compliment when I was in the swimming pool was the person was like, "You come very regularly. I see you on a daily basis, and you do so much exercise over here for 2 hours because that's like my main form of exercise, right? Swimming." So like, how, why you like, are you not doing any other sport? Why? So it came from a place like he complimented, and then he was inquisitive. Why so much over here? Why? Arey, it was nice because this was the only dude I talked to. Yeah, it came, so it was a good compliment because he was like, he inquired about my thing, and then I told him, yeah, this is the only form of exercise I'm right now allowed to do. Ye wo. And he was like, oh, that's so brave of you. That's so nice. So unlike,
Oh, that's nice.
Huh,
That's actually
yeah,
refreshing.
it was very nice because all the launders are trying to explain to me मैं कैसे गलत हूँ क्या हूँ. This one is like, अच्छा तुम तो इतना swimming करती हो, fast करती हो, 2 घंटा करती हो, for the last year or two I've seen you. It's very nice. Why just this? Do you not do anything else? And then he asked me about my life, and when I gave an answer, he gave a compliment, and it came from a genuine place. So that whole thing now, where it's not based on the superficialness of the person or anything like that. You asked a question, you complimented the person's life. It kind of feel like, okay, I would have. And the best part was, uske baad he did not try to force a conversation. Matlab, I was like, that guy had riz.
Wow, decent human beings exist. Amazing.
It's so simple. Just give a genuine compliment and then don't be
know.
pushy. लड़की खुद से बात कर लेगी if she's available.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah,
That's
it's a
actually
breath of
pretty
fresh air,
refreshing.
man. It was so nice. So I have a few things to share from the internet. Not much today. So there was this one video that I saw. Essentially, the video goes like, if you really want to avoid like a lot of backhanded compliments, like we were saying right now, you should stop. You should just play dumb. That's all you need to do.
Oh, just what did you mean by that?
Yeah.
As in?
Yeah, like be happy. Even
Yeah.
sometimes they're trying to put you down. Like a lot of people try to be like, oh, you know what? It's really cool you're supporting all that gray hair and stuff. And it's not a compliment. It's not coming from a good place in most cases. So then you're like, yeah, I know it. I mean, it's just coming out like that is so great. I just stand in the sun and you should do it too.
Makes sense. Yeah. I would do it. I would just be like, हाँ मतलब इसका क्या मतलब?
हाँ.
No, I actually advised one of my friends once because some relative told her that, and she's a little dusky, okay?
Yeah.
And they told her, oh, तुम्हारा रंग साफ हो गया है.
Yeah.
You know, घर पे रह के or whatever, she's probably working from home and all.
Yeah.
And she was like, क्यों मैं गंदी थी क्या पहले?
That's lovely.
Like, and Cheeto was a little curt, but I think you should just be polite and say, you know, whatever. Just
Yeah.
ask him, what does it mean by saf? What do you
Yeah,
mean by
like,
that?
that's so stupid.
Yeah, and
Can
then
you
make them
explain
say
it?
the words.
Yeah. And they'll get so self-conscious. They'll be
Yeah.
like, they will backtrack. They're like, no, I mean, and then they'll change it completely because
Exactly.
it will hit them. Ki, what
Yeah.
did they say? On that note, there is this Reddit story that was so lovely. What's the secret you're currently hiding from someone that you're willing to share on Reddit? Well, when my wife and I started dating, I made her a special dish. She was super excited. It was for a romantic date. So after that date, every time my wife wanted to make something for me. I got ready for that date. She made an entire meal for me. The first bite I took, I hated it. I knew I was going to get sick after it. But seeing her excitement, waiting for my reaction, I forced it down, finished my plate, and acted like it was the best thing I've ever eaten. She was thrilled, giggled, and was like, oh my god, I'm going to cook for you every day. So they were married for like 5 years. Long story short, what this guy did was he kept complimenting her, but he enrolled her in a cooking class. And she was like, oh my god, because he was like, learn more cuisines. You're so skilled, you're naturally talented. Why don't you learn? And now she's become a head chef at a restaurant.
Oh, that's
and
so sweet.
Yeah, and they have the best meals of their entire life every single day.
That is so sweet.
It's so warm.
But I would tell my husband कि देखो ये तो अच्छा नहीं था.
क्या मतलब फर्स्ट डेट
हाँ.
थी यार.
और खुद नहीं टेस्ट करते क्या? When you cook, you taste yourself
Some
also.
people
ना?
could also be like mouth blind, no?
Maybe she had COVID. मतलब I don't know.
Like I feel like if you are in a setup of a family and stuff now, I mean, I understand maybe you would be honest, but I sometimes feel like, when it comes to like when you started dating, or let's say some people have arranged marriages and stuff, because one of my friend had an arranged marriage and her partner, because of gut issues, had like really bad breath. So what I suggested to her was, you know what, why don't you do one thing? If he's having such bad breath and you guys can't kiss or make out and stuff, ask him to maybe floss, talk about dental health, and then take him to a gut doctor that I care about your stomach and this and that, and तुम दोनों साथ में जाओ, fix your issues together, go together. So this way ना, it's much softer. Otherwise you know, especially when it comes to new people or in a family setup, when, you know, maybe you might be in a situation where you're married and you've entered the guy's house. There's so many dynamics that you have to overlook where it's like really difficult for you to know how to correctly navigate. And those people are like straight up mean because तुम उनके घर के अंदर आए हो and they don't have that level of compassion.
Yeah.
But sometimes in some cases, you know, compassion really goes a long way, and you can fix issues without hurting someone's feelings, you know.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, and especially if you're new.
It's
Because
हाँ.
now at this point, so me and my husband just tell each other,
हाँ.
hey, don't fart in front of me. It's like, hey, what is your hair is coming. मतलब मेरे बाल बहुत oily हो रहे हैं, मेरे कुछ पक रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Now तो we say, eesh, shut up, don't eat garlic, go have a mint.
Yeah. Yeah. We are going to brush our teeth before
Yeah.
sleeping because you nasty.
Yeah, I have literally like smelt his feet and said, ew, go wash your feet. Like, literally.
Long day, I'll puke.
Long moral of the story. इसकी कोई तुमसे पूछे ओपिनियन देने के लिए तो ऑनेस्टली दे दो थोड़ा बहुत डिपेंडिंग ऑन वेयर यू आर
हाँ.
इन द
Don't smell feet, guys, regardless of how much love and compassion there is. भाई
I
मतलब
mean, yeah, you'll get there.
foot fetish वाले लोग मुझे समझ में नहीं आते.
You'll get there.
I'll get that. Okay.
We have smelt each other's mouths to check what we've eaten, like how bad the garlic has affected us. It has happened. So yeah, depending on where you
I
are.
don't wanna. I'm happy dating. I don't wanna get married. I think I like the boundaries we have.
Yeah, no,
if
we
I-
have literally spoken about the shape of our poops. So yeah, that today we did this.
And
today
Neeraj,
was
don't.
like this. And today was round balls.
मैं आज उल्टी कर दूंगी guys. नहीं पता है like we guys, okay, if your stomach's upset is one thing, we guys don't talk about it like in detail. मैं उसको एक दो बार को मैंने mention कर दी. We have like नहीं like
You will get there.
like you're married, right? Circling back to घरेलू compliments and dynamics and stuff, like have you faced anything or your friends when it comes to this?
Oh my god, yeah. So weird. And I have one of my buas I remember at some wedding. It was so weird, okay, and I'm guessing it must have come from a good place, but then considering bua ki to wohi hota I think. And you know, buas are generally toxic. So this is one of my cousin's weddings, I'm guessing, and I was looking very pretty and nice, and I dressed up very nicely, and I must have been 22.
हाँ बच्ची.
Whatever, but yeah, basically
Basically
हाँ.
बच्ची.
And then she looks at me and she's like, oh कितनी सुंदर लग रही है, इसकी तो अभी शादी करा दो.
ये मैंने भी सुना है.
And I'm like, so it comes from a place that, you know, that if she's looking this pretty or she's looking whatever a certain way, we need to get her married ASAP. Otherwise, she will lose this prettiness. अभी prime पे है,
Yeah.
right? And then no one will
सोशल
marry
करेंसी
her.
हो गई ना तुम्हारी
Yeah.
कि तुम्हारा अभी बेस्ट टोकन है, तुम्हारा इस अमाउंट का मैक्स पीक है, ठीक है, तुम्हें डिविडेंड अब निकालना है.
I also, while families are really weird and they say ajeeb things, I think through the generations they have internalized this behavior, because different families I think are very, मतलब from then only, मतलब mind your own business का policy ही नहीं है हमारे उसमें, right? So we can just say whatever to each other and it's fine. We've normalized it to the extent that कुछ भी बोल लो एक दूसरे के बारे में चलेगा. Like I have heard so many of these auntie uncles tell me, oh तुम कितनी कमज़ोर लग रही हो, like
for
as if, and I know it's not coming from a place of concern, it's coming
कमजोर,
just, and it's
ज़्यादा
just,
खाना और
Yeah.
वेट रिलेटेड कॉन्वर्जेशन.
yeah, and if you're a kid, marks कितने आए, if you're this सैलरी कितनी है तुम्हारी. अब तो ना, पहले तो सिर्फ आदमियों को आता था, अब तो औरतों के भी आने लग गया, which is cool, empowerment, yeah, but shut the fuck up again. But like, how can you ask someone and how can you say to someone कि तुम्हारा वेट बढ़ गया, या तुम हेल्दी लग रही हो, या तुम कमज़ोर लग रही हो? Who the hell gave you that?
So it's not just India, it's the whole of Asia, Africa. I think even a lot of European cultures. I mean, I think apart from like Americans, every place which has a concept of a culture, or right, Italians, वगैरह, the matriarchs of the family in particular, and even the patriarchs, they are going to be commenting jack shit. Like even when it comes to like no sense of respect for the child has feeling, the child needs space.
Yeah, nothing.
No, you have nothing.
And yeah, and have you seen Kal Ho Na Ho? उसमें there's this character called Sweetu. And the sisters Lilette Dubey, who's like naturally really hot, and she keeps like taunting, negging everything. Her sister, her poor sister, and then there's this one scene where she's wearing this really nice red dress, and she's feeling good in that, okay,
Yeah.
and all that, and she's pretty confident in that movie.
Moment,
She's like a really cool girl in that
Yeah.
film, right? But then the sister's like, oh, pehli baar dekha hai, and then it's like it feels like she's going to say something nice, and she says BST bus, and for the first and I was very
forgot
young.
this.
Yeah, and I was very young in that when I saw that film, and I myself felt really awkward that this is not funny. This is not cool. क्यों बोल रही हो तुम उसको ऐसा? अच्छी लग रही है यार वो. It's not fair how she was treated in that film, and her best friend Preeti Zinta, she's so mean to her, man. Like तुम because you're not getting a boyfriend because you're fat, stuff like that, right?
This
It's
so
just-
what happens even today. That's the
Yeah.
thing. And the thing is, like, it's so annoying that everyone has to be in this exact mold, following an exact timeline. I mean, I know we're digressing on compliments, but guys, if it's not, you don't give a compliment saying despite this and stuff or the weight, or just stop it. I think.
Yeah, really.
Just-
No, I think weight though is a thing that we have used it as a a talking point in our daily lives
Daily life, yeah.
to such an extent. In fact, have you seen Everything Everywhere All at Once?
Yeah, yeah,
One of
absolutely,
my
twice.
favorite- I love that film. But even in that, like they don't have anything to talk about the mother and daughter in the first half of the film. But all she says to her is,
You all get
"Oh,
fat.
you've gotten fat,"
And you never call
just
me,
for
even though we have
conversing,
family.
for
Yeah.
conversation's sake. And first of all, I felt like that's so relatable in the Indian context.
Yeah,
ek
yeah.
to, and I'm like, dude, this is not something you should say, right? This is not okay to say to someone on their face. What the hell? Even if it's your mother. And that's where it kind of trickles down, right?
Yeah.
That behavior, it's normalized because your family is so used to saying it to you.
Yeah, I mean, I think her entire villain era came just because her mom never complimented and loved her. It was just because she kept taunting her with, you're not enough, you're this, you're that, you're blah, blah, blah. That she was like,
Yeah.
I want to be all of the stuff you don't want me to be. And fuck
Exactly.
you.
Because that in the other universe, that's what she
She
was, right? The
becomes,
mother
yeah.
like drove her to
Yeah,
become
yeah,
that.
absolutely.
And I get it. Like that's what in यहाँ पे भी यहाँ पे people क्यों है therapy इतना popular अब क्यों हम अपना generational trauma वाला कचरा निकाल रहे हैं क्योंकि ये सब हो रहा था यार हमारे पास बचपन से. I remember one of my cousins at the age of 6 being taunted by her mother saying कि ओ ये नहीं एक और पराठा मत खा वैसी मोटी हो रही है.
हाँ.
Saying उस टाइम तो पता नहीं था कि क्या बोल रही है बट बाद में when you think back you're
Yeah.
like this was so problematic, man. What the hell, not cool.
Not cool at all.
Yeah. So I was getting really insecure about my arms once. I'd put on weight, not weight exactly, but arms थोड़े अजीब लग रहे थे एक बार. And I was feeling insecure about it in a particular dress. And I told her this, and my friend goes like, 1 second. She stood back, and she's like, okay, from here to here is something that I'm really insecure about. Can you point that out?
Uh-huh.
And I looked at her and I said, no. She's like, exactly. The people who love you, the people who genuinely care about you, don't care and don't see
Yeah.
what you're insecure about. It's okay. So chill. It's okay. And then people who do point out your insecurities, they don't matter.
No, actually, this is so true because you had asked me last shoot about the same thing. Am I looking bloated and stuff? And obviously, everyone comes with their own lens of baggage. Let's keep it like that. So, I mean, both your feelings could be valid for you, but not be present in the other person. The other person might actually think that this person is so gone fucking cuckoo, but they're thinking those things, right? But again, like what your friend did was great because she validated how you felt, but she also tried to explain that there is there is blindness for how the other person looks at you when they actually care about you. They're not
Exactly.
looking at every flaw that you're thinking about.
Yeah,
and it's
exactly.
something that
Yeah.
maybe you have to even search within because sometimes people could actually be like traumatized with something that you don't see as a friend, but like being there for them and like giving that space for them to feel those things, but also validate them and not let your bias come in front is like so important.
Exactly.
Yeah.
In conclusion,
In conclusion,
be kind.
Yeah.
Be nice. Say nice things to people if you mean it. Otherwise, keep it inside.
Yeah.
अंदर यहाँ से निकालो, यहाँ से मत निकालो.
If we just have to summarize today in a nutshell, in a line now.
5-second rule. If it's something that someone can change in 5 seconds,
Yeah.
say it to them.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Otherwise,
Otherwise,
keep it to yourself. Shut up.
the second
Okay.
most important thing, please cut your compliments in half.
Yep.
Just immediately just say the nice thing and stop.
End
Full
at the
stop.
adjective. Full stop. वहीं पे finish.
Finito.
And now that you are woke enough, थोड़ा जग गए हो लाइफ में, अपना generational कचरा थोड़ा साफ करो. Don't be better than your parents, grandparents वाला generation. And be nicer to your kids, to your peers, to your cousins. Be nice. Don't be an ass. Don't say, oh, you got fat, don't have an extra paratha. Or, oh my god, you're so pretty, you should get married now. Please stop it. It's not cool. It's not fun. It's not nice. People don't feel good about it.
Alright, guys. So, we guys have these very intense, interesting discussions every week. If you have something that you would like us to actually talk about, leave it in the comments. Tell us how you found this episode and what was the best compliment you got. Alright.
Yeah, non-physical or maybe even physical but nice. But you felt good about it and not like, ये क्यों बोला इसने? So if you like this video, please give us a like. Share this video with your friends, family, everybody. Give them some compliments along with it. And also please subscribe to Girl Kappa.
So, see you next week and continue the Girl Kappa with your. Fuck me.
Also follow us on all our other channels, which will be linked below.
Okay, guys. Bye.